Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make picture background transparent in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to make picture background transparent. Firstly, insert a picture. Go to the insert menu. Then click the picture option. Then choose picture from our file. Now I select a picture, then click insert. Then click the picture and go to the picture format menu and click the wrap text option, choose none. Then move this picture on the down. Now we want to make or save this picture transparent. Click right side on our mouse and click the save as a picture. Then choose our file, then write your file name, then click the save as type and choose PNG portable network graphics format, then click save. Now we can see we make this picture background transparent and save this very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.